So these are the math slides for Monday for Johnson group. So if you're in Turing group, you might want to go back and have a little look for yours because this is Johnson's today. So today you're going to be recapping on short multiplication. Now your starter today, I just want you to round these numbers to the nearest 1,000. So remember the poem that we use. So you underline the number that we're rounding to. So for the nearest 1,000, we're going to underline the number in the thousands column. Just going to move this across so you can see it. There you go. We look next door, we see a 2. If it's 5 or greater, you add one more. If it's less than 5, you leave that number for sure. So the 1 gets left alone. All the rest are zeros, not one more. So thinking back to your poem, work through the rest of these problems. Pause the video and then I'll come back to you in a moment. Okay, welcome back. So hopefully you got on well with that rounding. So I'm going to introduce you to our focus for today. So we're going to be focusing on short multiplication, which is one of the last things we did before Christmas, and you're all absolute experts on. So this is what short multiplication looks like. It's when we're multiplying a number by a single digit. Hopefully by looking at that you'll go, oh yes, I remember. So we start by multiplying the number in the ones column by the single digit. So 5 times by 3 we know is 15. So the 5 goes underneath and we carry over the 1. Then we move on to our next column. So our number in the tens column times by our single digit. 4 times 3 is 12. We need to add the 1 that's being carried over. So that makes it 13. So our 3 carry over the 1. And then we move on to multiplying our hundreds number by the single digit. 3 times 3 is 9. Add the 1 that's been carried over, which makes it 10. So we know this answer is 1035. Okay, give this one a go. Pause the video and I'll go through the answer with you in a moment. Okay, let's see how you got on. So, 4 times 4 we know is 16. So put our 6, carry over our 1. 7 times 4 is 28. Add the 1 is 29. 9, carry over our 2. 6 times by 4 is 24. Add the 2 is 26. So our answer is 2,696. Okay, now give this one a go. So give it a try, think about your timetables and then we'll go through it. Okay, so 2 times by 3 is 6. 1 times by 3 is 3. 0 times by 3, we know everything times by 0 is always 0. And 3 times by 3 is 9. So your answer should be 9,036. Okay, next one to give a go, so work through it at home and then we'll go through the answer. Okay, so 2 times by 2, nice and easy, is 4. 1 times by 2 is 2. 5 times by 2 is 10, so we put our 0, don't forget to carry over your 1. 7 times by 2 is 14. Add the 1 that's been carried over, which makes it 15. So your answer should be 15,024. Okay, so for today's work, you're going to work through these slides. So it has lots of different short multiplications on it, and you've got the squares underneath to help you with the laying out. So give it a go. I'm sure you'll be brilliant like you were when we did it in school. Good luck!